It is a beautiful day to start our work on the farm.
We are ready to help, Papa!
Don't forget the basket for the fresh vegetables, everyone.
Good morning, buddy. Did you sleep well?
Just a little water for each plant, little ones.
We make a wonderful team. Look there, little ones. The first stars are coming out to watch over the farm. Time for rest. We have more work to do tomorrow. Here you go, buddy. A big breakfast for a big friend.
I am a sheep now.
You are growing so tall, just like the kittens.
Thank you, buddy. You have the best reach on the farm. Stay cool, everyone. The sun is very strong today.
A wonderful harvest. We worked well today.
Work is done. Time for dinner, everyone! That was a hard day of work, but look at all we have gathered. Sleep well, big friend. See you at sunrise.
The mist has kept the soil perfectly moist today.
Look! There is another kitten in the ground.
Careful, buddy. You are going to turn the whole farm into a pond.
Come and rest, everyone. Lunch is ready in the shade.
There is no better place to be than right here.
Everyone is here. Our farm family is complete.
You are a good boy, buddy. Such a gentle giant.
Easy does it, little ones. We must keep our dishes safe. Race you to the sheep pens.
They are so fluffy, like walking clouds.
Everything is looking perfect for the market.
They have had quite the adventure today. Another beautiful day on the farm, my dear.
The garden lights are coming out to play. Wake up, little ones. Time to head back to the farmhouse.
We did a lot of good today. The garden is happy. Another chance to grow something wonderful.
These will make a fine breakfast for the family.
Good morning, buddy. Are you ready for a new adventure? Fresh from the garden, just for you, buddy.
Don't let it get away!
Watch out for the tomatoes, little ones. Paws on the path.
Everyone is ready for their summer haircut. Step by step, easy does it, friend.
Make sure they are perfectly clean.
And so, the harvest of the meadow begins. Look at this, children. It is as soft as the morning mist.
It is so warm. It feels like a hug.
Here comes the next one, dear. She is a very patient lady. Everyone needs a cool drink on a busy day like this.
We just have to be a little faster than the wind, my little ones.
Look at that! Enough wool for many warm blankets.
let's go home. A great day's work is finished.
There we go, safe and sound at home.
Come join us, buddy. The day's work is done.
Each pot gets a soft cloud of wool.
Buddy. You are helping too much.
Look, little ones. The stars are waking up to say good night.
Sleep well, big friend. We will see you at dawn.
It's good to be home, isn't it?
Yes, dear. The kittens are tired.
A good life on a good farm.
Another sunrise, another day to make the farm bloom.
The garden looks so thirsty this morning, dear.
Wait for us. We want to help water.
Good morning, buddy. Are you ready for breakfast?
There is no work more rewarding than the work we do together.
They are learning so fast, aren't they?
All right, buddy. I hear you. No time for daydreaming.
Every bit as beautiful as I remember.
Almost there. Just one more hop.
There you go. Now the whole farm knows it is time for a rest. We'll see you again when the sun comes up. Another beautiful day to tend our home.
The grass is so sparkly today.
Look at these, dear. They have grown so much overnight.
Good morning, buddy. Are you ready for chores?
This way, Cloud Sheep. This way.
Easy now, almost done here.
You're doing great, sweetie.
A perfect start to a perfect day.
We are little clouds now, Mama.
Here is a little reward for being such a good guardian, buddy.
The sun is high. Let's take a little rest in the shade.
Drink up, little ones. Stay cool.
The tomatoes will be ready for the basket by sunset.
Ready to finish the day's work, my dear?
Let's gather the best of the garden before the stars come out. Look at these tomatoes, everyone. They are perfectly ripe for picking.
Just a gentle twist, little ones. We must be very careful with the garden's gifts.
I did it, Mama. It is so round and red.
We have enough for the whole village market tomorrow.
Look! The garden stars are coming out.
It was a good day's work, my dear. Let's get the little ones inside.
Good night, buddy. See you in the morning.
It is a beautiful morning to start our work.
Wait for us, Papa. We are ready.
The tomatoes look very healthy after the morning dew. All right, kids, let's get these chores done before lunch.
Race you to the barn, Daddy.
Good work, little ones. The sheep will be very happy.
Here is a fresh snack for you, buddy.
It is time for our midday rest under the oak tree. This shade is the best place on the whole farm during the afternoon heat. The heat has passed. Let's fill our baskets before the sun goes down.
Only the reddest ones, little ones. Be very gentle with the skins.
A fine harvest today. We have worked well together.
The garden is full of stars.
Good night, buddy. Good night, farm. We'll see you at sunrise.
A long day, but a good one. Let's head inside.
Look! The sky is full of tiny fireflies.
Sleep well, buddy. Sleep well, farm.
Time for kittens to dream of tomorrow's adventures.
Another chance to make the garden bloom.
I wonder if Buddy is awake yet.
Today, we'll finish the harvest together. Look at this, children. It is as soft as the morning mist.
It is so warm. It feels like a hug.
Here comes the next one, dear. She is a very patient lady. Everyone needs a cool drink on a busy day like this.
Oh, Buddy, you are making it snow.
We just have to be a little faster than the wind, my little ones.
Look at that! Enough wool for many warm blankets.
Let's go home. A great day's work is finished. A long day, but a good one. Let's head inside.
Look! The sky is full of tiny fireflies.
Sleep well, buddy. Sleep well, farm.
Time for kittens to dream of tomorrow's adventures.
Another chance to make the garden bloom.
I wonder if Buddy is awake yet.
Today, we'll finish the harvest together.
Look at these beauties! The tomatoes are perfectly ripe for picking.
Just a gentle twist, little ones. We must be very careful with our harvest.
Do you want to help too, buddy?
We've done it! The finest harvest the Happy Cat Farm has ever seen.
It was a wonderful day's work, my dear.
Good night, buddy. Good night, Happy Cat Farm.